one more LP model, linear programming problem. We have to formulate the problem. So an electronic company produces three types of parts for automatic washing machines. It purchases castings of the parts from a local foundry and then finishes the part on drilling, shaping and polishing machines. Selling prices of parts A, B and C are rupees 8, rupees 10 and rupees 14 respectively. All parts made can be sold. Castings for parts A, B and C respectively cost 5, 6 and 10. The shop possesses only one of each type of casting machines. Cost per hour to run each of the machines are rupees 20 for drilling, rupees 30 for shaping and rupees 30 for polishing. The capacities for each part on each machine are shown in the table. So this is the table: machine, drilling machine, shaping machine and polishing machine. So part A, drilling machine, spare part A, 25 units can be drilled. 40 units of part B can be drilled using the machine in 1 hour. And 25 parts can be drilled through machine in 1 hour. This is 25, 20 and 20. This is 40, 30 and 40. So this is the data given. We have to make this as a formulation of LP model. Now what is the question? Maximize the profit. So how do you calculate the profit? You have to calculate, because selling price is given. Selling price minus the total cost, that is the profit. Selling price is given and casting, it's already been done, it is already been given. Purchases casting of the parts from local vendor. So it cost around 8, 10 and 14 respectively. Sorry, the cost is been given here as 5, 6 and 10. So this is the cost of the items. Also the cost of the machine, the cost of spent, using the machine also is being given. That is 20, 30 and 30 per hour. Sorry, per hour. For using drilling, it is 20. For shaping, per hour 30 rupees, and for polishing, it is 30 rupees. So we need to calculate for 1 unit what is the cost of machine type, that we need to calculate. So that is the rider of this particular problem. Otherwise, problem is very simple. So we will just make the table. We have three types of parts. So we have A, B and C. And this is our calculation. So how many units are going to be manufactured? We are just giving it as X1, let it be X1, X2 and X3. So this is the total number of units to be manufactured. That means x1 unit of A, x2 unit of B and x3 unit of C we are just going to manufacture. Selling price is given. What is the selling price? The selling price for part A, B and C are 8, 10 and 14 respectively. 8, 10 and 14. Now, what is the cost of casting? That needs to be deducted from this. So, cost part we will take it. What is the cost? Can you tell me? Castings for parts. Cost is 5, 6 and 10. Cost of castings. 5, 6 and 10. Now we need to calculate the machine cost for drilling, cost. What are the things? Drilling, shaping and polishing. The cost. This is, you need to understand, you need to observe. What is the cost of drilling machine per hour? 20 rupees, correct, no? So drilling machine, the cost is 20 rupees. Agree with me? And shaping, what is the cost? 30 rupees. And polishing, what is the cost? 30 rupees. This you need to understand. Now, how many units can be made in 1 hour? 25 units. So 25 units cost is 20 rupees. 25 units of part A cost 20 rupees. So 1 unit, what is the cost? 1 unit 20 divided by 25. Agree with me? 20 divided by 25. 20 divided by 25, how much? 0.8. Agree?
4.
Hello. And next one is A. So part B, 20 divided by 40. Why? 20 rupees for 1 hour. 40 units can be manufactured. So 20 divided by 40. Agree?
Yes, sir.
20 divided by 40, that is equal to how much? 0.5. And what about C? 25 units in 1 hour. Per hour cost is 20 rupees. So 20 divided by 25. 20 divided by 25. That is equal to again 0.8. That much agree? So this is the drilling cost. Now what is the shaping cost? 1 per hour 30 rupees. Part A, shaping, 25 units can be shaped using the shaping machine in 1 hour. So it will be 30 divided by 25. Agree? 30 divided by 25 is how much? 1.2. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
And use your calculator to check, no problem. Next is 30 divided by 20. Why? 30 rupees per hour, 20 units in 1 hour. So 30 divided by 20. How much it is?
1.5.
1.5. If I make a mistake, you just alert me. Next, here 20 units can be manufactured. Cost is 30 rupees. So per unit it will be 30 divided by 20. That is again
1.5.
1.5. Next, polishing cost. What is polishing cost? 30 units, 30 rupees per hour. Total, how much? 40 can be manufactured. So it will be 30 by 40.
0.7.
How much it is? 30 by 40. That means 0.75.
0.75.
Next is 30 is the number of units can be manufactured. Cost is 30 per hour. So it will be 30 by 30. How much it is? 1.
1.
And next is 40 is the number of units can be manufactured per hour. 30 is the cost per hour. So it will be 30 by 40.
1.333.
1 point per hour.
1.3, sir.
0.75. 30 by 30 divided by 40, correct? No?
0.75.
0.75. Okay. So now we need to add the total cost of machine. How much is the total cost of machine? Machine per unit 0.8 plus 1.2, 2. 2 plus 0.75, it is 2.75. And here it is 1 plus 1.5, 2.5 plus 5.5, 3. Correct, no? And this is 2.3 plus 0.75 is 3.05. So this is the cost of machine. Now we need to add the cost of total cost is equal to, agree with me? Total cost is equal to 5 cost of casting plus machine cost. Cost of casting plus machine cost, it is 7.75. How do you get it? 5 rupees plus 2.75 is equal to 7.75. Total cost is casting cost plus machine cost. This is the casting cost and this is the machine cost. This is machine cost. So 2.7 is 7.7. Agree with me? And here it is 3 plus 6, correct now? 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. And this is 10 plus 3.05, that is how much? 13.05. Agree with me? So we have got the total cost. Now we need to find out the profit. How do we find out? Selling price minus total cost will be the profit. Here it is 7.75. 5 point plus 2.75, 7.75. Here it is 9 and here it is 13.0. Now we need to calculate the find out the objective function. Objective function is this is a cost minimization, profit maximization problem. Profit maximization Z is equal to, what is the profit? Selling price 8 minus 7.75. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
8 minus 7.75. This is for 1 unit. For x1 unit, it is x1 into selling price minus cost. And second one, it is 10 is the selling price. 10 minus 9 into x2. Correct, no? Why? Because 10 is the unit selling price and total cost is 9 unit. So that is the thing. Next is 14 minus 13.05 multiplied by x3, 1 unit. So you have to multiply into x3 for total. So 8.8 minus 7.75 is 0.8. 25 x1. Agree with me? And next one is 10 minus 9 is 1, so 1 into x. 14 minus 13.05 is 0.95. 0.95 into x. So this is the maximization problem. This is the objective function. Next is the constraint. So we have three constraints: machine like drilling constraint, shaping constraint, and polishing constraint. So what is the constraint? Drilling,
shaping, polish.
so here there is a problem. It is like 25 units per 1 hour. So for 1 hour, for 1 unit, how much? 1 by 25. So this is time for 1 unit. Time for 1 unit is 1 by 25. Hours. For 1 hour, 25 units. So for 1 unit, 1 hour divided by 25. This will be again 1 by 25. This will be 1 by 40. Why? Because for 1 hour, 40 units will be manufactured. So for 1 unit, 1 by 40. See here also same unit per unit time. It will be 1 by 40, 1 by 20, 1 by 30. This is per unit time is 1 by 25, 1 by 20, 1 by 40. You don't have to take any tension. 25 units can be manufactured in 1 hour. So it will be 1 by 2. And the available time is 1 hour. Here also 1 hour. Here also 1 hour. Now we need to calculate the constraint of time. For 1 unit, it is 1 by 25 hours. For x1 unit, how many hours? 1 by 25 into x1. Agree with me? So first is drilling 1 by 25 into x1. And for x2, 1 by 40 into x2. Am I right? 1 by 40 into x2. Plus this is 1 by 25 into x3. Why? Because for 1 unit, time taken is 1 by 25 hours. For x3 unit, it is 1 by 25 into x3, which will be less than or equal to 1 hour. Next one also, just write it down. For 1 unit, 1 by 25. For x1 unit, 1 by 25 into x1. Next is 1 by 20 x2 plus 1 by 20 x3. Which will be less than or equal to 1. Third constraint, this is drilling and this is shaping. Next is polishing. What is polishing? 1 by 40 into x1. 1 by 40 into x1. You are able to follow? Why? Because for 1 unit, 1 by 40 hours. x1 unit, 1 by 40 hours into x1. And plus 1 by 30 x2. And next 1 by 40 x3. Less than or equal to 1. So this is the constraints with respect to the production process. Then the non-negative constraint x1, x2, x3 greater than or equal to 0. So this is the total solution to the problem. Thank you.